Welcome, woodpeckers. This will be a very fast film because this is just about glue and the two easy things you can do by yourself. And I have this yoga teacher. She brings me all these things I need to glue, and this would actually cost her 400 kroner, which is about right now 40 bucks, 50 bucks. Yeah, let me just show you. This is what she gave me. This one is broken here and broken there. She has some people sitting on this, you know, when they sit and wiggle and wobble and do all the things that they shouldn't do. So it breaks like that. Crack, crack. She buys them very cheap online or something. 20 bucks. It's still 20 bucks for this crap. Yeah, well, she does it anyway. It's just so easy to do this yourself, and she would have actually, she was thinking of buying this new because they got broken. Well, they're not broken. You just need to remove some old glue and apply some new and better glue in a better way. These are always made to break. This is just ridiculous to buy them new. Scratch away this thing, and now top are all good to go. And this time around, to do it properly, we just put glue in the whole thing, and this will probably not happen again, because the cheap factories want this stuff to break, while I want them to last. Hammer time! Using a rubber hammer to knock on wood. Well, it ain't over until the fat lady sings. All right, I've done one and it took me maybe 5 minutes. I'm filming also, so I need to change angles and stuff. But this would have cost me at least 20 bucks, she says, here in Norway. And this just needs to dry up now, and it's ready to go. Now, the second one will be a bit more challenging for you mortals, because if you see here, it has broken and the thing is left inside. So what you're gonna do is drill it up and plug in a new one. Here you also see that I have to drill these because they are stuck in there and in there. A good hand drill is something everybody should have at home. I know this is a ridiculous thing to make a video about, really, but the point is that you should be able to do these things by yourself, because it is so ridiculous to buy new stuff all the time when you can just fix it in 15 minutes. I could do with these two, and with this baby you don't want to drill too far down. Just throw a bit of glue in there, just a tiny bit, wee bit. You don't need much, because they are gonna be tight, these things. So add some glue to this one, and we'll make it an even better hold. Come on, baby! All right, we're back again, folks. Here I did a fix in like 15-20 minutes. If I didn't shoot with the camera, I would have done it in 5. Now, message is, the stuff in the store will break because it's made to, and that's why you should fix them yourself, and you will save a lot of money on it. I fixed it in 5-10 minutes, and boom, you can do the math. If I could fix these all day long for $20, hell, I would be a rich man. So, a message is, fix your stuff yourself and save yourself a bundle. Adios.